Have you ever heard someone say fiberglass windows need constant polishing, or that they warp in the heat just like vinyl? There's a lot of bad info out there about fiberglass windows, usually from people trying to sell you something else. In this video, we're busting the most common fiberglass window myths so you can make an informed choice for your home without falling for the sales talk. When people hear fiberglass, they often picture shiny boats or old DIY projects that needed endless sanding and buffing. But it's 2025, probably 2026 when you see this. Fiberglass windows aren't boat hulls anymore. Modern fiberglass windows are engineered to stay smooth and strong for decades. You don't need polished wax or use special cleaners, just your normal window wash routine. So yeah, you can skip the car wax. These windows take care of themselves. Fiberglass has one of the lowest thermal expansion rates of any window material. That means it holds its shape even when it's 105 degrees outside. Vinyl, on the other hand, can expand a lot more, which can stress seals and lead to warping over time. Now, to be fair, high-quality vinyl performs much better than bargain vinyl, and can still be a solid option for moderate climates or lower exposure areas. But in Texas, where the sun doesn't mess around, fiberglass stays stable, keeping your seals tight, your frame square, and your windows operating smoothly year after year. It's true, fiberglass windows can cost more upfront than vinyl. But here's the catch, it's not really an apples to apples comparison. High quality vinyl is still a great option for many homeowners, and it's what I put in my home. It's affordable, energy efficient, and easy to maintain. But fiberglass takes things a step further with better strength, stability, and lifespan. So while fiberglass may start higher on day one, you often make that money back in comfort, lower maintenance, and long-term durability. If you want a full breakdown of why fiberglass performs the way it does and how it stacks up over time, check out our in-depth video guide right here on the channel. We walk you through cost, performance, and what to expect so you can decide if fiberglass fits your home and your budget. Here's the truth, fiberglass windows are some of the most flexible, design-friendly windows out there. You can pick from a huge range from colors, finishes, and styles, including options that look just like real wood. Want a modern black frame, a classic white interior, even a custom color to match your trim? Totally doable. And one of the coolest perks, you can actually repaint fiberglass later if you want to change your home's look down the road. That's not something you can say for most materials. Here's a fact that surprises a lot of people. Fiberglass is one of the strongest window materials available. Pound for pound, it can actually outperform aluminum and easily outlast a lot of vinyl. Because fiberglass expands and contracts at nearly the same rate as glass, your seals stay tight, your frame stays square, and your windows stay strong, even after years of Texas heat, humidity, and storms. It also resists cracking, denting, and impact damage, which makes it a great choice for families, pets, and homes in high wind areas. The truth is, most of these fiberglass myths come from sales tactics, little half-truths that make one product sound better than the other. That's why we believe in teaching first, selling second. Here's the thing, we install both fiberglass and vinyl windows. We don't need to talk down one to lift up the other. Our job is to help you find what's right for your home, your budget, and your goals. If you're planning to stay in your home long-term and want a window that holds up to Texas heat, fiberglass might be the best fit. If you're working within a tighter budget or plan to move soon, high-quality vinyl might make more sense. What matters most is knowing the facts so you don't end up paying for myths. That's why we always recommend starting with a quick conversation. If you're in the San Antonio area and want to see the difference between fiberglass and vinyl for yourself, schedule a commitment-free consultation with our team. We'll walk you through both options, show you real samples, and help you make a confident, informed choice. No pressure, no gimmicks, just honesty. And if you're outside San Antonio and have questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.